नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं श्रीधर। आज आपके लिए एक नया टॉपिक लेके आए हैं। आज का टॉपिक है हाइड्रोलिक कंपोनेंट्स एंड देयर सिंबल्स। पहले हम लोग देखेंगे हाइड्रोलिक कंपोनेंट्स एंड देयर सिंबल्स। पंप, पहले हम लोग जानेंगे सिंबल ऑफ पंप। In this section, we are going to learn about hydraulic pumps. Please try to answer some simple questions. It will help you to recreate your idea in these subjects. What is the correct symbol of hydraulic pump? Yes, this is different types of pump have different symbols. Yes or no? No. Different pumps do not have different symbols. What is the following symbol indicates any variable displacement pump, bend axis pump only, gear pump only? Don't know. Answer is any variable displacement pump. Hydraulic pump is the main component in the hydraulic system. It pumps hydraulic and into the cylinder and hydraulic motors, which produces useful movements. Hydraulic pump is a rotating component, so its symbol is made of circles. A completely filled triangle pointing outward is inside the circle indicates the symbol of pump. Two small lines indicating the suction and delivery of the pump. Sometimes electric motor and coupling is installed to drive the pump. Sometimes pump is driven by engine. Engine is shown along with the pumps. In simplified symbol, motor and coupling are not shown. Then different types of pump. This is fixed displacement pump. Gear pump, vane pump, piston pumps, etc. Symbol is same for all the different types of pump. But there is functional difference in some of the pumps. That is fixed delivery and variable delivery pump. Fixed delivery pumps deliver same amount of oil at a specified RPM. This delivery cannot be changed. For example, gear pump. In variable delivery pump, delivery can be varied at a specified RPM by means of some mechanical movement. Example is axial piston pump, variable displacement axial piston pump. This is the symbol of any type of variable displacement pump. Inclined arrow indicates the features of variable. In this case, variable is delivered in the pump. If the arrow is not displayed, this is the fixed displacement pump. If the triangle is not filled, the symbol indicates air compressor. This is fixed delivery air compressor. This is variable delivery air compressor. See the difference between symbol of hydraulic pump and air compressor. Black triangle indicates hydraulic and not filled triangle indicates pneumatics or compressed air. Symbol do not have any relationship between the actual size of the component. However, sometimes for easy understanding, symbols of different sizes can be used. For example, bigger pump or smaller pump. Now we have completed the section of pump, symbol of pump. Next section is cylinder. Cylinder. Most commonly used hydraulic actuator is the cylinder. Hydraulic energy is converted into mechanical energy in the cylinder. Before learning about cylinder, please answer the following questions. What is the correct symbol of cylinder? Answer is 2. Yes. What is the following symbol indicates? Single acting cylinder is special type of piston spring return, double acting cylinder, spring return, single acting cylinder. Don't know. This is single acting cylinder with special type of piston. Sorry, sir. This is the symbol of single acting cylinder. Spring return single acting cylinder. What is the purpose of providing hydraulic cushion in the cylinder? To reduce hydraulic and mechanical shock due to sudden stopping of the piston. Now let us learn about cylinder. This is the symbol of a cylinder. This is the body of the cylinder. This is the piston of the cylinder. This is piston rod. These are the ports oil can enter into the cylinder. When oil is allowed into the cylinder, it pushes the piston. This piston movement is utilized in the machine to do some mechanical job. Oil can enter into any one of the two ports. Piston can forward and retract with oil. So this type of cylinder is called as double acting cylinder. Sometimes vertical cylinders are used to lift a load. When oil enters into the bottom of the cylinder, piston is pushed off. If oil flow is stopped, return stroke is affected by means of spring. So there is no need to pump oil to the other end of the cylinder. Hence there is only one port. This is called as single acting cylinder. This is the symbol of single acting cylinder. Sometimes return stroke of the piston is affected by a spring. This is called spring return single acting cylinder. This is the symbol of spring return single acting cylinder. During forward stroke, oil enter into the cylinder. Piston moves and spring on the other side is compressed. During return stroke, cylinder is controlled tank and compressed spring pushes the piston. In some cylinder, piston rod is extended in both sides. This is called as double rod cylinder. This is the symbol of double rod cylinder. When piston stops at the end of the cylinder, it creates mechanical and hydraulic shock. To reduce this shock, hydraulic cushion is used in the cylinder. This is the symbol of hydraulic cushion. This is the symbol of hydraulic cushion on both sides. Hydraulic cushioning effect can be varied. In such cases, an inclined arrow is provided in the symbol. Normally, all the cylinders have variable hydraulic cushions. So, it is not specifically mentioned in the symbol of cylinder. This section on cylinder is completed. In the next section, you can learn direction control valve.